Here I am in Premiere Pro and I'm ready to import all the media that I organized in my last video. So I'm going to come down here to the import window. I'm going to use the shortcut Command I, and that will bring up my import window. I'm going to navigate over to my desktop and I'm going to find the folder with today's date. Now from here, I want to select and import all of the editable files. So I'm just going to lasso, and then I'm going to hold Command to select that last file. I don't want to import my project, just the editable files. I click Import. And now I have all of my media and I'm ready to go. So again, I can go to Icon View or I can go to List View. I like List View a little bit better because I'm able to see what videos have audio attached to them, which videos do not have audio attached, and then which files are sound files. So the next thing I want to do as an editor of announcements is I want to go through and I want to start labeling the announcements. So let's start with this first announcement. I'm going to double click on it. Now I can scrub through and listen, but that takes a lot of time. So I'm going to come over here to the wave and I can see that I have my slate right here. There's some other talking here and here, but it looks like the main part of the announcement is right here. So I'm going to listen to that part.
What is going on, Eagles? It's Thursday, October 8th. I'm Anthony Priya, giving you your daily announcements.
And that's a keeper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to label that announcement number 1. I now have all of my announcements numbered according to the number that is on the announcement handout sheet. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take the intro, which is announcement number 1, and I want to mark an in and an out point. So I'm going to come over here to the waveform view, and I'm going to hit I for my in point and O for my out point. So I have that selection made. I'm going to take the video and drag it down into my timeline. Notice that when I dragged that announcement in, I have the timeline file identified as the same name as the video that I dropped in. Over here in my import window, I now have a sequence, and you can see based on that icon. So I want to change the name of that sequence to today's date. And that, by changing that name, also changes the name over here on my sequence. So this is the project that I'm working on. Stay tuned for the next video where we cover how to key out the green background.